Reduce your heating bills by 50%. These tricks will help keep the warmth inside your home. Rub petroleum jelly on window seals to improve flexibility and trap heat. First, clean and dry them, then apply a thin layer. It's a simple way to lower your heating costs. Buy a thermal blanket from a pharmacy and stick it to your windows. This cheap trick keeps the warmth inside. Measure the glass, cut the blanket, and stick it gold side down on a damp window. The foil reflects heat back into the room. Start by cleaning your radiators. Turn them to the highest setting. Mix 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent with half a liter of warm water. Place a bowl under the radiator and pour the solution through it. You'll see the dust come out, improving efficiency. Stick bubble wrap to your windows using just water. It will attach instantly and provide extra insulation. If cold air seeps through the window frame, switch it to winter mode. Adjust the screw in the window frame so the smaller dot faces the side. If your frame lacks this screw, use aluminum foil instead. Line the entire frame with foil and close the window. This instantly seals gaps and keeps the cold out.